Music artists or music enthusiasts or any music creative might want to sit down for this one.
They say your street was a dead-end road. They drew a bus, try to make you.
I made that with no instruments, no music director, no studio, and even zero knowledge of music, just by writing a single line of instruction into this particular AI. But that's not all.
They say your street was a dead-end road. They drew a box, try to make you fold. But you got fired, they don't understand.
That was the music video to that music, also created with the same AI, no director, no camera crew, just by still a single line of instruction. Now here is where it's interesting. Imagine anyone, just anyone, can now create an industry standard music and even a professionally shot music video without even leaving their house. Yeah, I know the music industry is going to be jittered about this, but make sure you watch this video to the very end, because you're going to learn about this AI tool as I'm about to review it and show you all of the awesome features in it, and also how you can get started creating your own music and probably win the next Grammy award. Yeah, AI have won a Grammy award. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. The name of the AI tool we are reviewing on this video is Musicful. You can get the link to the AI tool on the description down below, or simply go to musicful.ai to access the tool. Now, Musicful AI is an AI music generation. Now, unlike other music generator tool or generation tool, this does not just end at creating music for you. It also can create the music video. Now, if we go to the website, you can already see Musicful AI create video from any idea and so on and so forth. So we're going to look at the features in it and then also try to create our music using Musicful. And lastly, generate the music video as well. It's quite so easy. All right, so when you get on it and then you've created your own account, all right, so you're going to see make a house song about quitting your job. All right, so when you come over here, you can see we are generating the music, not the music video. All right, so when we come here and type, and when we go to the advanced feature, and you can see a lot more. Okay, so in the advanced feature, you're going to type in the style of your music. So enter the style. All right, so enter the style, so we can select pop, rap, bars, afrobeats. So in the lyrics, you can select either want to create your own lyrics, that's write your own lyrics and just drop it here, or you can get the AI to write the lyrics for you by just tapping on write lyrics. Now you see if left empty, so I'm just going to say we're going to type on write lyrics, so you can see the lyrics is being generated. So while that is going on, you can select to either have a male artist or a female artist. So I'm going to use male. All right, now the next one is you're going to select your vibe. So how do you want it to feel? Now the lyrics is ready. So we have, they said your street was a dead-end road, they drew a box and that and so on and so forth. All right, so when we keep going down, so the next thing is your title. So the next thing, when we are all done with this, we are just going to tap on create song. All right, and then we are going to wait for the magic to happen.
Stand up, stand tall. You were never made to crawl. Work hard, dream bold. Turn your story into gold. Hands high, speak loud. You are more than they allowed. Stand, work, rule your world. Stand, work, rule your world. Stand up, stand tall. You were never made to crawl. Work hard, dream bold. Your
you've listened to all of the music generated by different versions. Now let me know on the comment down below which of the versions actually gave you your favorite song out of them all right? Now when we move on to the next feature, that is the description. So if you want to skip all of this, right, all of this whole thing, maybe you don't understand all of it, you can still just go to the description and simply just tell it, write a song about or create a song about what about who, and if you still tap on get inspired, you can still find more features, make a song about, you just see different things you can probably add one or two things and edit and create your own custom song. Now the third option under this on how to create your music on Musicful is you can reference an audio. All right, you can reference an audio. So what does that mean? You can generate the music. Maybe if I download one of this music, I can simply upload it right here, and then it will use that as the reference, okay, and generate a song for me. All right. A second option under the audio feature is you can record your own voice. All right, so now let's move on to the next part, which is creating a music video using one of the music that we have created. So let's assume that we want to actually use the last music created by the version 2.0 of Musicful music generation, right? And when we come over here, you're going to just see music video. All right, by the way, when you come over here, you can make a cover of this song. All right, that is to just record your own voice singing it. Then you can extend it if you want. You can replace the lyrics. Maybe you wanted to change some things in the lyrics, you can reuse it. All right, maybe to create another music. You can create a vibe out of it. Remember, creating a vibe is just to make it create a new song using the same vibe that this song was created. All right, then the music video, of course, and commercial license and everything. All right, now let's go ahead to music video. Okay, you can see, do you want it singing? All right, that is, you want someone singing it, or you want a narrative, just like B-rolls of the song, or do you want an abstract? All right, just create some stuff, out of it. So let's use singing. Now, who's going to be the main character? All right, I think I can use myself. So let me look for a face of me. So I've added a picture of me. So the next thing is the video concept. All right, so you can either describe your video idea or just tap on the generate AI concept. All right, so let's say, all right, so I'm going to tap on write concept. So the AI is going to write the concept, and next up is the video duration. All right, so I'm just going to make it up to 1 minute so that it would generate faster. Okay, so the concept is actually done. So we have beginner done in an open rural field where the speaker stands alone. Ground, okay, this sounds really good. In the field, in the finer arts and so on. This is really good. All right, so the next part, the video duration. So I've selected 1 minute. Then what video settings do we want? Aspect ratio 16:9, of course. All right, and the resolution, okay, let's just leave it at 720 so that probably it will generate faster. Then under the advanced features or advanced options, include B-rolls or not. All right, so of course we want to have B-rolls that also explains the art. All right, now you can see that it's going to cost us, the preview is going to cost us 336, or the credit at itself is going to cost us, to generate it is going to cost us 1524. That's 1524. So let's go ahead and tap on generate music, and then Musicful AI agent is going to take over the job for us.
They say your street was a dead end road. They drew a box, tried to make you fold. But you got fired, they don't understand. Heartbeat loud like a marching band. Yeah. Stand up, stand tall. You were never made to crawl. Work hard, dream bold. Turn your story into gold. Hands high, speak loud. You are more than they allow. Stand, rule your world. Stand, rule your world. Rule Hand-me-down shoes, but you still run fast. Carrying hope from a broken past. Every closed door is a chance to learn. Every small light is a place to burn. Hey, stand up, stand tall. You were never made to crawl. Work hard, dream bold. Turn your story into gold. Hands high, speak loud.
All right, so let me know what you think about the video that you have just watched. You can see that it actually used my face, okay, and all the whole cool stuff that you saw. So let me know what you think about this music video generated by this AI on the comments down below. All right, now other things you can also check out featured. All right, when you get to the feature, this is where you can see music generated by other people. All right, you can see music generated by other people, and they also have creator leaderboard. Depending on how beautiful your music is, and as people are watching it, you can actually get on the creator leaderboard as well and earn free credits. Okay, by the way, I didn't mention that when you're done with your music, you can actually publish it to Musicful general music library. Okay, if you just tap on here, other people can get to listen to your song. All right, and some people now actually put up the song on Spotify and get to earn money from it. All right, now let's move on to how much does it cost to get the premium version of Musicful. Now, if you've seen all I've done on Musicful and you feel like this is really an awesome tool to subscribe to, which I think you should actually subscribe to it, because you cannot be able to generate music videos on the free version, because the free version only gives you like 40 credits. All right, so when we get to how much does it cost, so let's get to the credits part. You can see that the basic version actually costs you $3. Like, this is actually way cheaper than Suno and other music tools, right? And with the $3 version or $3 subscription, you can get 500 credits, which is still not going to be up to generate music videos for you. So you can see that you won't have access to music video generation, and you cannot also use the music you created for commercial purpose. But when you get to the standard version, where you get up to 3,500 credit for just $9, you can be able to also generate music videos, all right, and also use it for commercial use, no daily limit. And when you go pro, okay, you can get access to up to 20,000 credits instead of paying $3 or $9. That's actually $4 or $9. All right, you can get it at $5 per month, and for an entire month you should be getting it for up to like $60 or thereabout. Okay, if I'm you, this is actually what I'm going to use. So you can subscribe to Musicful using the link on the description. That's an affiliate link, so if this video was helpful for you, you can use my affiliate link, and I just earn a little from whatever thing that you are paying. All right, so yeah, that's actually the awesome things that you can find on Musicful. Let me know what you think about this tool on the comment down below, and if you have any question concerning it, let me also know on the comment down below, and I'm gonna try to respond to them as much as possible. With this, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.